If you're watching this right now, you might feel stuck, confused, or exhausted, but I want you to know this. You are not alone. You are not crazy. And you are not broken beyond repair. You are a survivor. And more than that, you are a warrior. Narcissistic abuse is a slow, insidious poison. It starts as a whisper, subtle manipulations, small betrayals, little moments of doubt. Then, over time, it grows into a storm. It steals your confidence, your sense of self-worth, and your trust in your own reality. I know because I've been there, questioning everything, even myself. But let me tell you something. That voice in your head, the one whispering self-doubt, it's a liar. Now, I want to make something very clear. You have every right to walk away from anyone who makes you feel small, unloved, or unworthy. It doesn't matter if it's a romantic partner, a family member, a friend, or even a boss. I used to believe I had to endure it, to fix things, to make them love me. But the truth is, you do not have to stay where you are not valued. It is not your responsibility to fix someone who is breaking you. You deserve better. There is something important I want you to be aware of. When you decide enough is enough, when you try to leave, they will attempt to place the burden of guilt upon you to keep you stuck. They will try to manipulate you into staying. Do not allow this to happen. They will say things like, "You're abandoning me," "You're the selfish one," or "I can't live without you." Sound familiar? I've heard it all before too. But here's the truth. A healthy relationship does not require you to sacrifice your peace, your dignity, or your happiness. Love shouldn't give you anxiety, and love should never feel like a cage. And here's the incredible part. The moment you walk away, the fog starts to lift. You begin to hear your own voice again. You remember what it feels like to laugh freely, to wake up without dread, to exist without fear. Freedom isn't just about leaving a person, it's about reclaiming yourself. And trust me, it's worth it. When was the last time you felt this way? It's time to take your life back. Imagine waking up one morning with no knots in your stomach, no weight on your chest, just peace. It's possible. I didn't believe it at first either, but then I found laughter again. I found excitement in the little things. And I realized I was never the problem. Neither are you. You are not damaged. You are not unlovable. You are a survivor, and you deserve happiness. Healing isn't linear. Some days you'll feel on top of the world, and on others, and the past will try to pull you back. But every step forward is a victory. Every moment of peace is proof that you made the right choice. So, how do you heal? How do you rebuild a life after all that pain? Well, it starts with small steps. Steps I had to learn too. First, be kind to yourself. You've been through so much, and healing doesn't happen overnight. Practice self-care, and I don't mean just bubble baths and face masks, though those are nice. I mean real self-care, setting boundaries, saying no without guilt, feeding your body nutritious food, getting enough rest, moving your body in a way that makes you feel alive, changing your environment, surrounding yourself with people who uplift you, who remind you of your worth, finding a therapist or a support group who understands what you've been through, and most importantly, learning to trust yourself again. Narcissistic abuse can make us doubt our thoughts and feelings despite feeling uneasy about a person or situation. It can leave us in a constant state of confusion. Our gut tells us when something is wrong. Never dismiss that feeling. Choosing yourself is not selfish. Leaving is not betrayal. It is an act of courage. I had to learn that, and now I want you to know. You are allowed to choose peace. You are allowed to walk away. And most importantly, you are allowed to heal. I'm here to remind you that we get one life, and your life is yours to live. Do not let anyone take that away from you. Your future is bright. I see you. I feel you. I want the best for you, and I want you to want the best for yourself because you deserve happiness and fulfillment in your life. You are not alone in this journey. I've been there, and I know that freedom and joy are waiting for you. Just take that first step and keep going. A brighter, freer, happier life is within your reach, and you, my friend, deserve every single beautiful moment of it.